Guinean weed. This Guinean weed is free from pesticide and chemical additive. This is 100% pure leaf and root. This Guinean weed is indigenous to the Caribbean and the Amazon rainforest. This Guinean weed plant mainly used to make tea and home remedies. This herbs has a lot of benefits. To purchase this Guinean weed, please visit www.tryRhodenWebstore.com. Feel free to ask any question about the herbs. What you're buying is 100% pure dry leaf guarantee. Authentic Guinean weed. That's for sure. Check it out. Thank you.